Dear friends, the second Wednesday of Advent invites us to reflect on the theme, Come to me and learn from me. Rejected by his own people, Jesus extended this great invitation to all persons of every nation, race, and generation. He wants all people to come to him and learn from him how to live. He wants to give a vision that will enable us to love heaven and set our sights on it like pilgrims on a journey. On this journey, we are often wearied by the cares and trials that face us. Life can seem burdensome and oppressive. Sometimes this sense is caused by choices we have made or steps we have taken that lead us away from God. At other times, we are faced with the illnesses and troubles we did not and would not bring on ourselves. Whatever the case, Jesus invites us to yoke ourselves to him and learn from him. Then we will find rest. Once we take this decisive step, we will experience the peace that comes only from the Prince of Peace. United with Jesus, we will be ready to learn from him. If our burden is caused by our own sin, he will teach us how to choose a new way. If it is caused by something beyond our control or power, he will teach us to hope in the reality of a place where there will be no more tears or sorrow. Just as Jesus yielded his life and will to the Father and was united with him, when we are one with Jesus, we will know the unity and the peace that come from him alone. When we decide to give up our own ways and learn from Jesus, even though we still have burdens, we will be refreshed. We will receive new life. The life we receive often includes healing and deliverance that are signs of the final fullness of salvation. Seeing our lives through the prism of God's love rouses in us the desire to be united with him, to be conformed to him. Jesus' yoke is light because Jesus is helping us to bear the burden. Go to him and learn from him. He will ease our yoke and lighten the burden. Let us pray. Lord, you are the sovereign over all the universe, yet you are meek and humble of heart. You have sent your own Spirit to live in us, and you want to reveal the Father to us. Protect us, Jesus, from the confusion that results when we seek answers for our lives apart from you. Shield us from the domain of self-rule. Instead, establish us under your governance, where you have beckoned us to come. Yes, let us be yoked to you.